Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Spocket for all you supplier superstars out there. You've been busy connecting with awesome customers, fulfilling orders, and watching your sales climb. But that sweet success needs to translate into cold, hard cash in your pocket, right? So, the question on everyone's mind, how do you actually withdraw that money from Spocket? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll break down the entire withdrawal process step by step, making sure you get your hard-earned earnings without any hassle. Understanding Spocket payouts. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's talk a bit about how Spocket handles payouts. Unlike some other platforms, Spocket utilizes Stripe for secure and reliable money transfers. This means you'll need a Stripe account linked to your Spocket supplier profile to receive your funds. Now, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. There's a minimum payout threshold. You'll need to have at least $25 in your Spocket account before you can initiate a withdrawal. Spocket operates with a 30-day hold on transactions. This means there's a slight delay between a sale being completed and the funds reflecting in your withdrawable balance. Setting up your payout information. Alright, with that foundation laid, let's get down to business. Here's how to set up your payout information on Spocket. Log into your Spocket supplier app. This should be the same login you use to manage your products and orders. Head to the store settings section. You'll typically find this option at the bottom left corner of your dashboard. Look for the Getting Paid section. This is where the magic happens. Click on Add Bank Details. Here's where you'll link your Stripe account or enter your bank information directly. Choose your account type. Select individual if you're a sole proprietor or company if you're a registered business. Fill in your bank details accurately. This includes your bank account number, routing number, and any other information required by Stripe. Double-check everything. Typos can lead to delays, so ensure all your information is correct before saving. Initiating a payout. Once your payout information is set up and verified, you can finally withdraw your hard-earned cash. Here's how. Navigate back to your Spocket supplier dashboard. Go to the Rewards and Withdrawals section. This might also be under Payments depending on your Spocket version. Review your current balance and available funds. Make sure you've reached the minimum $25 threshold. Click the glorious Cash Out button. You've earned it. Spocketing those earnings, payout processing time. Now, there's a slight wait after initiating the withdrawal. Spocket processes payouts within a reasonable time frame, but it's important to be aware of the following. Stripe processing time. Stripe itself might take a few business days to process the withdrawal request. Bank transfer time. Once Stripe approves the withdrawal, the actual time it takes for the funds to reach your bank account depends on your bank's processing speed. It can range from a few additional business days to a week or so in some cases. Bonus tip, stay organized for smoother withdrawals. Here's a quick tip for all you supplier superstars. Keeping good records of your sales and payouts can be a lifesaver. It helps you track your income, reconcile your accounts, and identify any discrepancies that might arise. There you have it. With these steps, you'll be a master of Spocket withdrawals in no time. Remember, the minimum payout threshold is $25. There's a 30-day hold on transactions, and the actual transfer time depends on Stripe and your bank. Keep hustling, keep fulfilling those orders, and keep that cash flowing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy Spocketing.